And welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can set the road on the Google Maps with multiple stops. So we have to start from making a road with the start and meta. In my case, Katowice and Zakopane. Now just click here on this three-dot icon and choose the add stop. Now type the address of the first stop. And how you can see, now you can add more automatically by this button. If you want to change the order of your stops, just hold the finger here on this two-line icon and set it into the desired place. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.